Now you have some money, and it's time to invest. Here are the top 10 investment tips for the beginning investor. Tip number 1, pay off high interest debt. Under nearly every set of circumstances, the best use of your cash is to pay down high interest debt. Tip number 2, establish an emergency fund. Have an emergency fund, a cash hoard, you can write if unexpected expenses show up. Your emergency fund needs to be readily accessible in a high-yield savings account. Tip number 3, understand your investment goals. Before you get started, it's a good idea to get a general sense of who you are as an investor. Ask yourself, why are you investing? What is your risk tolerance? What is your investment priority? And how much time do you want to spend on your investments? Next tip, know your tolerance. Understand how you feel about risk and the degree of anxiety risks give you. Would you risk $100 to win $1,000, or is that too risky for you? Control your emotions. Control your emotions so that you can make logical decisions and not emotional decisions. Diversify your investments. Diversity allows you to recover from the loss of your total investment if one investment does poorly. Diversify your exposure. Avoid leverage. Leverage is the use of borrowed money, which exaggerates the results of price movement. Patience. Understand that the investment market is a long-term game. Be flexible and know you have time to ride the high and the low waves. And finally, pick one strategy and stick to one strategy. Focus on one strategy and become an expert at it. Only buy if you understand it. Buy a stock you know the products and services of. If you like it, others may as well.